Today, we have Dr. Maya Kumar amongst us. She is a principal at Chiranjeevi Concept School, Ranchi. She is in the field of school education since the year 1985 and has served in Kendra Vidyalaya and Navodaya Vidyalaya as a postgraduate teacher in physics. In the year 96, she started her own school and now she is the director cum principal of Chiranjeevi Group of Schools. She has written 7 books for pre-primary children, a biography on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and one on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. She believes in philanthropy and she is a nature lover and has been planting saplings every year and taking care of them. Now, I'd like to pass it on to the host, Vidisha, to take over from here.
Hello, ma'am. Namaste. Good morning.
Morning.
So, good morning, all. Good morning, my audience. Welcome to Healthy Chat with Hey Foodie. इससे पहले कि we start with the show, let me tell you something about Hey Foodie. So, we at Hey Foodie look forward in inculcating eating healthy habits and creating awareness about what healthy food, what healthy lifestyle is, and we are working and we aim to fulfill the dream of green and healthy India. Over that, the food which we prepare at Hey Foodie is 100% homemade. It's made by the mothers who are basically housewife and they are also known as star chef. So this is what Hey Foodie is, and ma'am, Hey Foodie welcomes you on Healthy Chat with Hey Foodie. Yes, ma'am. So let's start. You have been into this education field since a long time.
Yeah.
So, what are the changes you have noticed in these years of experience in the education field? What are the changes जो आप notice किए हैं?
Like when we studied in school, uh, mm, we had a lot of respect for teachers, and we were very obedient to our parents also. So parents had no problem with their words. Now, what I find that there is a great cultural change. Children are very much pampered. Actually, all parents have either one or two children, and they are pampered, and they don't have that respect for teacher what we had in our time. But it depends on the family culture and schools culture of school also. Like in our school, we are very much particular about inculcating value system of life, and very much particular about these things. So things have changed, but it depends on the family culture.
Right, ma'am. I guess family culture एक ऐसी चीज है जो बचपन से हमें आगे ले जाती है और वो हमारे अंदर रह जाती है जिसको हम
जी,
संस्कार भी कहते हैं.
एकदम.
So thank you so
मैं
much. जी ma'am.
मेरा मेरा ये मानना है कि बच्चे की परवरिश जिस संस्कार में होती है, दैट रिमेन फॉर द होल लाइफ. संस्कार से ही मनुष्य का निर्माण होता है. आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी एंड योर पर्सनालिटी रिफ्लेक्ट्स द संस्कार यू हैव गॉट इन योर फैमिली और इन योर स्कूल.
Right, ma'am. Absolutely right. So अगर अभी अभी आईसीएसई सीबीएसई दोनों बोर्ड्स के रिजल्ट्स हुए 10th और 12th के, तो इस पे आपको आपकी क्या फीडबैक है कि कैसा रहा रिजल्ट?
देखिए, रिजल्ट तो बहुत अच्छा रहा, लेकिन आजकल जो है ये मार्क्स जो हैं, हमारे जमाने में यदि कोई फर्स्ट डिवीजन लाता था, आई वॉज स्कूल टॉपर ऑफ माई स्कूल and I had got nearly 70% in 10th. No, children are getting 99.5%. Topper has 99.5%, national topper or state topper. Marks is like they are getting, I don't know. And what I feel, the teachers who have done honors English and they are not able to write proper English. when they come for interview in my school, I tell them to write an application, and I find there are mistakes in application. So the standard of teaching has deteriorated, and children don't want to do hard labor, they work for marks. So they are not much concerned about the concept of subject. So result is very nice. Everyone has got more than 90. Whoever in my friend circle or whoever I know, they have got more than 90%. So result is very nice. Actually, ICSE result has been assessed on the basis of school marks, classroom marks also, because 4 or 5 subjects had not been conducted because of Corona. So they have got more than 90.
Yes, ma'am. ये this is also what I wanted to know कि ये जो मार्क सिस्टम हो गया है ना, एज इफ ये मार्क्स एक हमारे सर्टिफिकेट में कुछ ऐड ऑन करती है, जबकि ऐसा है नहीं. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि स्टूडेंट्स में जो ये मार्क्स ऑब्टेन करने की एक टिपिकल मेंटालिटी आई है, उसका कारण क्या है? उसका कारण क्या पेरेंट्स है जो शायद बहुत ही छोटी उम्र से उनको बताते हैं कि पढ़ाई 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 इज एवरीथिंग, या फिर
Because
टीचर्स है
nowadays,
क्या?
because nowadays parents have expectation that my child should be at the top, my child should get more than 95%, and children are doing work accordingly. They are not they don't have clear concept of the subject, they don't have wide knowledge of the subject, but they are craving for marks, because on the basis of marks you are getting admission in higher classes. So they are for marks only, they are running after marks.
Right, ma'am. So इससे we can also guess that the stress the students go through कि कैसा होगा रिजल्ट, क्या होगा, and this ये सबका रीजन आई गेस मार्क्स ही है, right?
Marks. And parents expectation, parents expect too much from their children, and they don't do that much for their children. They compare their children with other children, but they don't see ki what input they are giving to their children.
Right, ma'am. Absolutely right. So आप मैंने सुना कि आप नेचर में भी बिलीव करती है एंड यू लव प्लांटिंग एंड ऑल, तो इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
मुझको नेचर से बहुत प्यार है, और मैं लास्ट 10 years से आई हैव बीन planting and taking care of it. Every year I plant 200-300 saplings, and using gabions जिससे घेरते हैं पौधे को, लगाकर मैं उनकी रक्षा करती हूँ. I distribute saplings among villages, among our children. I do suggest parents as well as children to plant a sapling on the occasion of their birthday and take care of it. Like now online we are having Green Week. So we have made schedule, and class wise we are having different type of program related to nature. I am very much fond of nature. Now I am nowadays I am doing farming also. I have a little farmhouse, and I am growing this thing, vegetables, fruits also. So I love it like anything.
Right, ma'am. That's a quite healthy and organic way to get food.
Yeah, and I'm vegetarian, so I am very much fond of doing all these things, getting homemade food, getting vegetables from my own farm. I'm very much fond of it.
Right, ma'am. Since हमने बात food की शुरू की है,
Mm.
तो I would like to know that are you passionate about cooking? Like, do you
Yeah,
love
yeah,
cooking?
I love cooking. Actually, I was not knowing how to cook when I started my life, means after marriage. Actually, from the very beginning, I had been in boarding house, so I never got chance to learn how to cook. When I got
Yes.
married, I was knowing nothing, and in fact, my husband taught me how to cook. But since that time, I got married in the year 85, and since then
Mm-hmm.
I have been learning. Although I am vegetarian, but I cook non-veg food also.
Right, ma'am.
Now
That's a
I'm taking I am taking help of YouTube nowadays.
that's that's the best place you can hunt for if you need any recipes.
Yeah, yeah.
So, ma'am, what are the new recipes, vegetarian recipes that you tried in this COVID lockdown and
Yeah,
quarantine?
yeah. Uh, um, Rava dosa, rava dosa, and masoor dal ki pakodi,
Uh-huh.
and here we call it puwa. Puwa, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Very well.
kele ka puwa.
Right, ma'am. It's an wheat ka batter. Just where you put some grinded bananas and
Yeah,
then you
yeah,
fry it, right?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. So, since we are talking about food and its benefits, ma'am, these days more of 90% of the youth of India, or you can say the crowd of India, are ending up damaging their immunity system and their health.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So, according to you, what is the major reason of this cause?
Actually, now people are they are not spending time on cooking. Huh? Like in US, my younger son is in US, and they have to cook because there is no way out. They are not getting domestic help and ready-made food as we have in India. So he learned everything. खिचड़ी से उसने बनाना सीखा, and now he is cooking everything in India, particularly in our society. We don't teach cooking to boys. Mm.
Right, right,
And after when they start their career or when they go for higher study, that they should know cooking. As I realized, I had not taught my children how to cook. So since they don't know cooking, they are totally dependent on ready-made food and junk food, quick cooked food like Maggie, pizza, burger. They are mainly dependent on these things. So I would suggest parents that from the beginning we should teach children cooking.
right, ma'am. I guess that's best way to survive out. If you know cooking, you can fetch some food for your own self.
Yeah,
Yeah. So,
yeah,
ma'am,
and
yes, please continue.
yeah, and like we should teach our children for healthy food. Like it
Right,
is not necessary every time to cook food. Like if you have sprouts, if you have different types of sprouts and lentils, then you can make food like one time food, like in breakfast or in snacks. You can keep some food which doesn't require cooking.
right, ma'am. Ma'am, in starting, we talked about inculcating values and generating values in the students so that they learn to respect the teachers, also any elder person. So I would like to know that in the same way, do you at your school practice the habit of inculcating healthy eating habits among the students?
We have,
If you do so, what are the steps
yeah.
you take?
Like at the time of admission itself, we give them a chart of menu list for tiffin.
Oh, okay.
And
Yeah.
every day it has some healthy food. Like we make that menu. There we include sprouts, fruits, green vegetable, and if they are sending sandwich, then there must be some green vegetable like capsicum, tomato, and others. This way we have, and we check also whether parents are following it or not. And at the end of the session, we give, we make list that those who have followed our menu for the whole session, we call the parents and we felicitate them.
Right, ma'am. That's the great way to spread awareness about healthy food. It's really nice to know from you.
And
And I guess a lot. Yes, ma'am.
where we restrict like Maggie, biscuit, toffee, these things are restricted. They are not allowed to bring all these things because many parents give ready-made tiffin, like two biscuits, one sandwich, and kurkure. We don't allow these things at all.
Okay. So I guess the names you took are one of my favorite, and I would love to take them to the school. But anyways, ma'am, I also heard through the sources that you have written book on children.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
tell us some highlighting points of that book.
Okay. Like I have written for pre-primary children
Mm-hmm.
because I had started my school with pre-primary classes. So what I found that the author who is writing books doesn't have knowledge of psychology of these little kids. Hmm.
Child psychology, yes,
So
ma'am.
yeah, so it is very necessary to have the knowledge of what to teach and how to teach at which level. Like if a child is 4 years old, then we will have to change our way of teaching so that he can grasp easily, and he at the same time he or she should enjoy reading, writing things, because it is very difficult at that stage to make them write. So keeping all these things, I have written books, and children love it, parents love it. It is very easy to grasp also. Now I am preparing to write
Right,
for
ma'am. Ma'am, you
primary
also,
7.
yes. Okay, that's really nice, ma'am. We're looking forward for it. Ma'am, I also heard that you wrote about APJ
Yeah.
Abdul Kalam. So, what was the reason that you chose this legend and why?
Kalam had been my ideal, because
Okay.
uh, I'm very much fascinated and attracted by his personality. So when he died, the day he died, I decided that, see, we haven't seen Gandhiji or Subhash Chandra Bose. We have heard about them,
Right,
but
ma'am.
this great man, we have seen him. What he was. He was above humanity. He was, uh, whatever you call him, he was, I haven't seen a person having so
So
many
down to earth.
qualities.
Right,
Down to
right,
earth,
right.
very, uh, like he was a, what you, सबसे बड़ा देशभक्त हमको लगता है आज के जमाने में वो थे. And when he died, the whole country cried. Whether it was rich, poor, villages, urban, Hindu, Muslim, everyone. He was for everyone and everyone loved him. So I wanted to write his biography so that the children of today and children of next generation would know कि हमारे देश में एक ऐसा महामानव था जिसने झोपड़ी से अपने जीवन की शुरुआत की और राष्ट्रपति भवन तक का सफर तय किया और जिसने अखबार बेचा वो मिसाइल का जनक कहलाया. तो मेरे टेबल के सामने उनकी फोटो रहती है. I get a lot of inspiration from his life.
Yes, ma'am. That's really nice, ma'am, and I absolutely agree with you. Like, I have also not seen and noticed any person who was as devoted as him towards the nation, towards each work he did. So yeah, that's a really nice, person to have a role model as. So
Yeah.
thank you so much. Well, while the time we were talking from our audience, they were willing to ask few questions which they have put in the chat box, and I'll read it out for you. So the one question is, ma'am, getting marks or getting knowledge, which is better?
Getting knowledge. If you have knowledge, you will get marks. If you have knowledge, you will get through the competition. Marks is not the measurement of your knowledge.
Right, ma'am. There was another question, and that was, in this last 20 years, the question papers before and the question papers now, as compared to each other, which one of them have been more tough?
See, 20 years back, there were subjective questions, more and more subjective questions. So, student had to learn and had to express in words very nicely. Okay. Nowadays, questions are MCQ, fill in the blanks, true or false, and of course, subjective is there. So, like you can guess the answer and you can get the marks. That time it was not prevalent. You have to uh, have knowledge of each and everything, then only you will get marks. That's why in those days, we used to get less marks. As I told you now, I topped the school and I got near about 69 point something. And now topper is getting 99.5. And particularly you will find at 10th board, children used to get 99%, 98%, but when they come to +2, they find it very tough to get high marks because level of +2 and 10, there is far gap. So, it is not necessary. I have seen many children who have got 95% in 10th and couldn't go through any competition because he had no concept of the subject. So concept of the subject and knowledge of the subject, it is a must to excel better in higher education or in competitive exam.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Another question which is coming up, that is, kids pestering, good or bad, how it can be taken care?
Pardon, I couldn't get your point.
Kids pestering are good or bad, how can it be taken care of?
Kids?
Sometimes, like, the kids are very annoying, they continuously irritate. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in that
Yeah.
case, how can that be taken care? And if a
Yeah.
student, if a kid is doing that,
Yeah.
whether it's good or
Yeah,
bad?
I got your point.
Yeah.
Nowadays, what is happening? What is the reason behind it? That I'll discuss. Nowadays, what is happening? That both parents are working. They don't have quality time to spend with their children. So they give mobile, they give TV. They are being taken care of by the domestic help or nannies are there. So children don't get what they should get at that stage. Okay.
Right, ma'am.
So there is irritation, they can't express, they can't say, like when you are grown up you express your feeling, but children at that stage they can't
Right.
express. So that expression comes out in the form of irritation or hyperactivity, hyper activeness, or some other form of autism. It is because of that. So once I would suggest parents कि once they come to know कि उनके बच्चे में क्या कमी है, उसका तुरंत केयर करें, because if it is detected, whatever problem they have, irritation or hyper autism or any dyslexia, whatever special quality we call special children, the children suffering with such things we call special children. So once they come to know, they must rectify it and must after diagnosing, they must take care of it, because if it is rectified at this stage, it can be cured. But later on, when they are grown up, it can't be cured.
Right, ma'am. That's absolutely right. And I guess that's the core reason these days
Yeah,
the
children are not getting time to play. It is as important. Study and play, games are as important as studies. Hmm. But parents don't give attention on these factors. Children are spending time in apartment, in flats. They don't have open area. They don't get chance to go to the park. Like in our time, we used to play a lot. So while playing, you learn so many things. You learn discipline. You learn to lose. You learn to enjoy victory. Everything you are learning. You learn to share. Nowadays, children have children are missing these things. They don't want to share their thing with friends. They don't have friends. Nowadays, what is happening, that I'm very surprised to know a child who enters into IIT and after 1 year commits suicide. Why? Because
yes,
his IQ is all right, EQ is not developed that much, emotional quotient. So IQ and EQ both should be developed in proper manner. Children should
right.
have friends. They should learn to share their everything. When they are in problem, they should learn to share with their friends, with their relatives, with their parents. Without sharing, they take decision and commit some happenings, and suicidal things happen. This is very
Absolutely.
very what to say, बहुत दुखद घटना हो जाती है. हाँ,
Right, ma'am.
एक बच्चा जो है वो एसेट है फैमिली का, सोसाइटी का, नेशन का. If we lose a child, then we
We
lose a
lose
very
future.
an asset of the nation.
Right, ma'am. Absolutely right. And I guess गलती या चूक दोनों साइड से होती है, कुछ स्टूडेंट के साइड से, कुछ पेरेंट के साइड से, एंड देन उसका आउटकम इतना बुरा होता है.
देखिए, मैं तो ये कहूंगी कि टिल स्कूल डेज children don't know what is good and what is bad. So it is
Right.
parents, it is teachers' duty to make them understand, to inculcate the value system, what is good and what is bad. Yes,
What is bad?
after schooling, they come to that stage where they can judge what is good or what is bad. You know? So I think till secondary school, children should be guided in proper manner by the parents, by the society, by the teachers.
Right, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. This session, this chat show with you was an eye opener and a punch of reality is what we got from all the backgrounds, be it food, be it education, be it parenting, and everything. Thank you so much
I would suggest one thing.
there.
I would suggest one thing to help to
Yes,
Hey
ma'am.
Foodie. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Yes, ma'am, please.
now it's a startup. You must
Mhm.
be having branches after some days. You must be having branches in all cities and all. Then
We are having
you must
it.
have one compartment. I mean to say, to have healthy snacks. Huh? And the parents who are not able to give healthy tiffin to their children, they should get attached with you people, and you people should supply healthy their children in the school. You should
Yes, ma'am.
develop this type of
Yeah, that's what we are actually doing on and focusing on. We are there in few of the cities like Odisha, Jharkhand, and all. So we are planning to cover almost every part and inch of India. So thank you so much for your suggestion, and we'll take it forward. Now we at Hey Foodie have our way of showing an affection to the guest speaker. So we have a small token of gratitude for you, which is a participation certificate. Do accept it, and thank you for honoring us with your presence on the chat show. Ma'am, can you see the certificate?
yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. So that this is for you. You'll be also receiving it via mail. Thank you so much for being there. और हमारी जो ये बातचीत हुई है, हमारा जो ये चैट शो है, वो YouTube पे भी आएगा, तो आप देख सकते हैं. आप अपने बच्चे, अपने relatives से share भी कर सकते हैं. You can also share it with the school students, so that they know how lovely principal and a director they have got. Thank you so much for being there. बड़ा अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. और अगर आपको और जानना है हमारे बारे में, हे फूडी के बारे में, सो आप इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, यूट्यूब पे भी जा सकते हैं. जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आप कुछ रेसिपीज यूट्यूब से लेती हैं, वैसे हमारे चैनल से कुछ होंगे which will help you a lot. So thank you so much for being there, ma'am. We wish good health for you and your family. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Namaskar, ma'am.